everybody want blow. Now he make Eseosa live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. Way like the big things. Eseosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Pepperless money sweet. Nobody like it off my head. Chasing the money every day. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away.
I will give una one last chance to tell me where to find that stupid girl.
Mama, we don't know. On 19th we said we define out. We define out.
This particular one,
I
won't waste this one.
Give her there!
Yeah, I don't see.
They walk you.
Mama.
Speak.
Mama Pee, I don't know anything about them. That's one of my friends. I didn't meet them. I don't even know anything about her background. I swear.
Where that your friend is?
I don't know where she did, Mama. But her name is Esty. She really on the run.
She don't run. That means say she be accomplice, have you?
Mama, we don't check that girl, Kaba. I get on base.
The Esty so, have you?
Yes, boss.
Hey! Girigarion! Release them.
Boss.
Baby. I don't want from my target. Release them. I know what I do. Anybody will catch that girl and will carry my money come. I'll give her 50-50.
Yes, ma. Mama, this one enter.
Mama, believe your boy.
Thank you, ma.
I'll find out for you. Yeah, go find out. Find out.
That was sweet to know. Move that way, carry body. My one leg as they move. Move! You worry. Boy, shit. Oh God. I got flogged my left leg. I felt my right leg. Boy. Boy.
I guy, you go dress more for me, I beg. This sound don't finish. Papa God. Papa God, I thank you. Jehovah overdue now you be. Guys, Mama Pee for use us as chicken for that house. For just die like chicken for that woman house. I must find that Eseosa. I must find the money.
Yes, so, Baba.
We'll get her.
Yes, so that be the number one thing we go to think. But Delvie, are you the plan to accomplish this mission now?
Oh, die. I'll go find her. See, guys. We gotta look for a way. I dey tell now, we gotta look for a way. It be like say una don't understand the place where we from just come now. I tell una say Mama Pee, na dangerous woman. It get reason why that woman release us. Na me dey tell una.
What you try talk now?
Na correct question that you ask. The reason why that woman release us. We guys bring their money back to her. And Eseosa too. And we guys look for a way, just in case we don't see Eseosa.
You can't talk on me that one, brother.
That yellow one wicked though. See,
Ma just tell on my mind. I got find Eseosa. Got find that money. I go find her. I go see her. I go get the money. I must collect my share. I got me my own mama proud too. Sure?
As it be like this, me, I want to out. I guys go meet my mama for village.
Oh, me, I don't want to die, you. I don't want to die, you. I'm body I come find for Lagos. I don't want to die, you. I don't want to die.
You got the cry like adult baby.
I don't want to die, you.
Now your hand a break.
Any small things I go dey call you mama. Me, I
Now
don't
your
get
hand dey
mama. I
break.
don't want to die, you.
We go find her, find the money.
I want
We'll
her
collect
call
our
you.
share.
Emota, how far? You don't help me find the informants. Which one be say you don't know where Eseosa family dey? Could be the same street where we dey live for Benin. How that one take concern me now? See, find us there for me if you know if you find Eseosa mama and grandmama. Find Eseosa people for me fast. You won't spoil my opportunity to make big money, Abi. If you don't find Eseosa people, no more allowance for you.
So my guy. Wait, so you be the things say true for your heart, you go be win that get back.
Shucks, wetin Eseosa do me, it don't make sense. You don't understand me, she fuck up. I no go fit forgive Eseosa for that thing.
You no go fit forgive her. But shey na you tell me 2 days ago say me I no mention the girl name, so una don break up.
Which kind of talk be that? I want to break up with the love of my life.
The love of your life? Since when? Okay, my dey serious. When you enter the room of the love of your life, wetin happen? So I say you no fit talk again. See my advice as my brother, as my friend, as my anything where you be to me, just program your mind. Make we program our mind. Say you see that girl when dey there so now our oga. That way we go fit do work when we come this house come do. You dey hear me so?
Stop am. If she be oga, me too I be oga. As a matter of fact, na me get her. So I be oga to her. You dey hear me? Because I me dey control the oga heart.
I say you still dey dream, eh? I dey go do work when they pay me to do. You dey hear? No go do your work. Dey rude your oga. No serious. Love of your life. Shishi, no get.
Best, yeah, fana.
I do. We will travel now.
Travel. Go where?
Like we just come out this city.
Which city?
Lagos City now.
My Lagos or another Lagos?
Why they talk like this now? Me the reason say as we did this Lagos, we don't cast.
Where you want go? Wetin wan cast us? You dey sick? Everything dey okay?
You dey act like say you don't know what they talk about. This place, I don't dey feel safe for here. I don't talk my own.
You know dey feel safe for here. Okay, where you want me we go?
I be the reason like Oka, Owerri. Oka Owerri.
From Benin to Lagos to Oka. Abi you dey craze. Abi don't make me vex. Can't talk with this. What did they walk you?
You know what they talk about? This place no dey safe. You say if you feel am now.
We cover our tracks, so it dey safe. I no feel am.
You sure say we don't get leakage?
Now you open the leakage.
That mean they open the leakage. No be you use your mouth talk say person dey kitchen and that man wey dey gate.
They don't know anything.
I take those they don't know anything.
Esty, I don't deal with this money 1 week now. Nobody confirm me. Except you go bring the person who will confirm me. Now then the person go come.
I don't just dey feel safe for this place, so I don't talk my own. I don't. Okay.
Since you come here, you just dey panic. Abi, you go take panic door because I don't understand this your behavior.
You just go somewhere, pipe down small.
I better not disturb me. I dey watch something. If you know the enjoyment, you can go. I am good here.
We'll go Abuja.
I know they go Abuja. I will first buy my house for Banana Island first. Explore for Lagos. Arrive for here before I go open another branch. They spoil my vibe. Other people that be still they
They spoil your vibe.
Yes, you want keep my vibe. Bijo keep my vibe. I bet they watch movie.
I dey spoil your vibe. Because I dey give you advice.
Advice and no Mama Pee. Thank you so much.
No problem. What's your film?
May I come for Benin? May I go Oka? Go do
Abuja.
wetin? Abuja. Na Abuja I make am. No be Lagos. I know splash for me. They don't say I don't arrive first. I know first go in Banana Island before I go buy house for Abuja.
I'll be all these songs where they call me. I dey bad mood. May nobody let me go transfer annoyance for him, but you. I dey very bad mood. Hello? Which is soccer be this one? Fem! Shouldn't be that. Which kind talk be that? You will be bad person. You will leave at the charge go Lagos. What you come make you dey? What you come make you dey call her bestie?
We are sorry now. Not the vex for me.
I better talk. Wetin happen? Wetin make you dey call me?
Eseosa dey with you.
Which kind of stupid question be that?
I dey miss am now. I just want to see him.
Now, Mississippi. Like say something don't dey worry your head. Nobody say you dey miss am. See, anyway, I never blame you. Thank God say you discharge liver because if not be you, it's her life for no change. It's just her life for no change. Because if not be say.
Now they call you.
Who do I dey come?
She say she wan see you now. I bet they come.
See, ma tell you, if to say no be say you discharge liver, that girl for no be millionaire. Yeah? I bet I get better things to do. I go talk to you later. Yeah, she won't see me. How far sharks? How far I be?
I bet they go. I be. They call you. They do I be.
Hey, like these sharks don't see me finish. I dey give her style. She dey say.
I think I know how it will run this.
Baby, just clear me this matter, man. I know as they go.
I follow your boyfriend talk now. I got a number from someone where I know before.
Why the long distance now? Eh? How people find the boyfriend? They very important.
I follow him talk now. And he tell me say Eseosa don't become millionaire.
You say waiting. As come, no be matter where you go. See, just give me number. I need to. I see the odds. Give me number, babe. Give me number. I know. See, babe. You know, say it be my love. You my shima, no fit shit for you at all. But you see this matter, now hot one. But the more we dey stay, this matter, the money dey their hand. They hard to get now. Shey you feel me? So just run me this thing, make the number sharply.
No wahala.
Normal level.
No, me. No, lucky at this stay. From my house to Ikoyi, just like 2 minutes. Oh.
Now you happy.
Carry waiting over your
Eh? See the way she dey look. See things now. They live large, spread like python full everywhere. No be so. Come, where Mama Pee money? Where Mama Pee money?
No, Mama. I don't have any money. I don't have any money.
You don't dream another bad dream.
You dey crazy, now your dream will come to pass.
Die, and me and you. The way you didn't misbehave. So allow things.
Get out of me! Osaze, they go get. Kia, they go get your position.
You know they really think about the good time. Me and you. Normally, I'm not supposed to work.
Saluma, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This thing we still talk so. Not true. This one not be millionaire with ease. This one a millionaire with problem, millionaire with issues. But I know if you go back now. But which one this man did kill me for dream? I know if he return this money. Oh. This money na my life. Na my life. Just keep me with the money because I'm not going to release them. I can't go back to Igbiyoko there and say they collect money for my ads. They happen no. But that dream, Sha. No. Not be all my dreams they come true. This one no come true. This one no come true at all. Thank God say this money is safe. Every time my body go, they do ta. I don't feel live on running like this. So. Yo, eh. Ah! Now, wow! Hey! You're so bad. Ah.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, am I speaking with Mr. Osaze?
I better talk. What happened? What did you make you they call me?
Congratulations, Mr. Osaze. You have won for yourself a whooping sum of 1 million naira.
Hello?
I just said that you won for yourself 1 million naira, Mr. Osaze. Wait. Oh God. Let me try this number again. You know the ring, oh. Come, which one be not available? Ah! This matter don't cast. This matter don't cast. It's okay. Give me another number.
I don't get another number now.
What do you mean by saying no get another number? You just did see and now. The number where I called before, you know they go again.
I don't get another number.
Ah! I want to do this matter now. See, you know get as you want to be. This money must touch my hand today. I go find this guy.
I don't do everything to locate the Eseosa family. You know work. I don't get another number now.
This matter already. Come, see. Oh, this one. Oh, your phone.
But if you stay beg and contact me, you're gent guy.
Papi, what is up? You can't believe what I just saw right now.
I'm under the stress, my bro. What is up? What did happen now?
There are so many guys out there. They're surrounding the house.
What happened?
Guy, I told you that Mama Pee, this woman is a dangerous woman. If you cross her, not for life. Guy, I just count outside. There are so many men out there. Men mounts.
I won't take escape. Now I won't take escape.
That, I don't know right now. Wait till me.
Papa's supposed to be inside room, they sleep now, the rest.
Okay.
Bro!
I'll go. Papi, Ovi is not inside.
But you they talk. You say me thing?
Ovi is not inside.
Big go now.
I told you guys that this woman is a very dangerous woman. I wouldn't want to get into this woman's trouble. See, you know what will happen now? Guy, we need to leave this place like immediately. We need to leave it like immediately, guy. We need to leave this place. Like, what do you think? What do you think, Papi?
Normally I will leave here, but bro, the money now they go for me.
Papi, money no go kill you. Papi, forget about money and think about your life. You're taking this Mama Pee's word seriously, oh. What if she's being insincere?
What if she can't dey real? I dey ask you now, what if she can't dey real? When she kidnap us, she doesn't release us, she don't release us. What's gonna do you now?
Yes.
Why they cry like parrots?
She released us. But that woman surrounds every one of us with so many men that are watching us. Guy, what do you think? Can't you think? Think, bro. See, I've tried my own. I've tried my bit. As it is like this, me, I want to go back to my mom until this thing blows off. I don't know about if you are going with me, let us go. But if you don't want to go, then stay here. This whole place is becoming uncomfortable for me, guy.
Yeah, they go now. Now be your man. Okay, can't say come back house, the idiot. Can't say come back house. Me they go see for outside. No let you get mama. Mama come for your job.
Men full everywhere for outside, guy.
Men full everywhere for outside. No let you get mama now. I no get mama. If you no get mama, no let you get mama. I'll go my mouth. You speak English. Grace the worry you. Oh God, oh this one.
Where's the money? Which money?
You dey crazy. Where you keep the money now?
What do you want something?
I want return now.
Eh?
Babe, I want return now.
Now dare you for kill me. I don't give my money to anybody.
You know they give your money to anybody. Baby, they whine.
Esty no go back. What did they do you? Why you they panic like this? I just say we don't pass this level. Why you they panic like this?
Babe. Osase get phone call from kids. They tell us say you win 1 million.
Osaze will be king of bets. You don't sell your property in Mama house before for bets.
No be this time, no be this time. They go find us, they go catch us, babe. And the fuck up way we fuck up, we say we go hire that your useless ex-boyfriend and his side chick. Now that our fuck up be that.
Sharks not be Osaze sharks. In fact, that one not even be issue now. They no go ever find us. They no go ever find us.
They play. They no go ever. They play.
Esty, calm down. You know say. This thing where you do pepper body. Now that one they go call you stay find us, and I go leave you for there run.
You gonna leave me for where run? Babe, leave this money now, make we go. We supposed to come out for this place now. They go find us.
Come out for this place. So go where? I thought you pay rent for this place for 1 year. I'll call leave and run. Esty, you need to calm down, no. You need to calm down.
Eseosa, now you supposed to calm down. Your life is more important than money.
Now lie. Money is more important than my life. May I die, may I get money.
If let's say they don't swear for you for that Bini, or better still, you know say you normal way to the offend person. You don't offend person for Bini, we don't swear for you because I know that.
Esty, calm down.
I know if you calm down, Eseosa. Now this calm down, why calm down? Wait, don't choke me like this. Switch now. Let's go return that money.
We not go return the money. We not go return them.
I don't say they don't send you to attack me and my own pee. Make I dey leave.
Esty, where you they go?
I dey come out. I go leave you. Make they catch only you. I don't wash my hand. I know
Esty,
dey.
calm down now. Esty! Esther! This girl no get sense. But that free bestie, they go explode money. Which guy? Esty!
Hey, handsome. What do you do your face like this?
Madam, sit down, I beg. Just try to sit down.
So you don't run home service. I'm surprised when I see your call.
No, with that one, make me call you, come here.
Now wait, see. I beg time na money.
You know where Esty dey?
Which Esty?
Esty now, your party.
I don't know. So, now me you want you stay get Esty now.
See, babe, no, be like that now. You know my baby now. My dancer. Only you now, you nobody follow again.
I beg, leave me. You prefer Esty pass me. If you prefer Esty, go call Esty. Why you they call me? They ask me.
Now talk, I want follow and talk. Now pure business. Don't be this business. Now pure business I want to see her for.
You don't say why I see Esty.
She knows that our usual sport.
Which sport? I don't come out there, Tete. Esty where they collect all my men for there. I don't work.
You know anybody go find her?
I don't know. I still get family.
So nobody even know where she did.
I don't know.
I see her. Talk to me. Yeah. Tell me where she feed they see. Me go say to you, I'll do you well. I'll give you something I beg.
Hello? Esty?
You don't plant all the men where you supposed to plant them.
Baba, exactly as it is talking, that's what I do.
Let the game begin.
You won't blow, I won't blow, everybody won't blow. Now you make Eseosa live beneath. Come Lagos, so small girl with big dreams. Way like the big things. Eseosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Pepperless money sweet. Nobody like it suffer head. Chasing the money every day. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. You have to blow. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Pepperless money sweet. Nobody like it suffer head. Nobody wants suffer. Oh. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, away. And if you want make level change, wahala must dey. Some people around you go tell you get away because some dey jealous, but no lose focus. Eseosa no gree for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, you go hold the cash. When you make a move, then